spend a lot of time on Twitter, so I keep seeing how everyone's using AI, and I've broken it down into levels. Level one is you just use ChatGPT or Claude on the website, and then you just ask it questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? Level two, you set up one of the coding agents, so you use Codex or Claude Code or Pi or whatever. And so the agent actually has access to your code. You connect some MCPs, have some skills, and now you're working with the agent to actually write your code. Level three is that you start to get really good at working with the agent. So you think, I don't really want it to run on just my machine. I just want like a whole army in the cloud that I can just prompt and it will just go off and do the thing and give me PRs. Now, these agents might actually get triggered by your Jira ticket. The agent will just see the ticket, look at the problem, and then actually give you a draft PR or a real PR. You might actually have it set up in Teams or Slack, and then you kind of just message it, here's my problem, can you figure it out? And because the agent has access to the MCPs and everything, it can just figure out what to do, and then if it finds a solution, it will give you a PR, otherwise it'll just respond. And then the level after that that's emerging is something called software factories, where the agent kind of figures out what to do itself, and then it just does the thing. And then you might even review the code, or you might not, which is really scary for me personally. Yeah, I'm still at level 2. I'm trying to figure out how to do level 3 and keep it relatively simple. I still want to have a lot of control and have access to the code still, so still at level 2.